1. Disconnect the bumper harness. Disconnect the bumper wiring harness inside the driver's side fender. Step number 2. Remove the recovery point covers. Use a plastic trim tool to remove the recovery point covers. Step number 3. Unplug the parking sensor. Unplug the parking sensor from the recovery point cover and remove. Step number 4. Remove the bumper bolts. Remove the 6 19mm bumper bolts from the recovery points. Step number 5. Remove the bumper. Remove the bumper by pulling up and straight away from the vehicle. Step number 6. Remove the recovery points from the bumper. Remove the 8mm bolt holding the recovery point to the bumper. Step number 7. Remove the bumper mounting plates. Remove the 8 13mm bumper mounting plate bolts, then remove the plates. Step number 8. Installing the new mounting plates. Install by matching the factory orientation, then secure with the 8 13mm bolts. Step number 9. Reinstall the bumper. Reinstall the bumper and one of the 19mm bolts to keep the bumper in place. Step number 10. Install the IAG recovery points. Install the recovery points onto the bumper with the 6 factory 19mm bolts. Step number 11, bumper alignment. Measure the bumper to confirm it's centered and height is the same on each side. Step number 12, adjust the bumper. Adjust the bumper by loosening the 6 19mm bolts by half a turn. Step number 13, tighten the bumper bolts. After the adjustment is done, tighten the 6 19mm bolts to 59 foot-pounds. Step number 14, reinstall recovery covers. Reinstall the parking sensor harness, then reinstall the cover. Step number 15, reinstall the bumper harness. Step number 16, install the bull bar. Install the bull bar with the provided 8 T45 bolts. Step number 17, tighten the 8 T45 bolts.